Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with 1.1.3, which is an inequality, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've given us 4x squared minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, so what are they trying to ask us here? Well, let's re-look at this. Let's re-look at this expression. What type of expression is this? Well, it's a quadratic expression, and if we were to look at this as a graph, what would the graph look like? Well, it would be a parabola, right? And if we draw our x-axis, what would the parabola smile like? Would it frown or would it smile? Well, we can see it's a positive parabola, so that means we're going to have something that looks like that. Now, essentially what they've said to us is, where is this parabola less than 0? So essentially, where does the parabola dip below the x-axis? So we can clearly see it's between these 2 points over here, and we need to figure out what those 2 points are. So just to keep in mind, this is the part of the graph we are looking for in this particular question. Right, so let's find our critical values first, and our critical values refer to the x-intercepts. So to do that, let's see how we can factorize this side. So what I see is I see a square number, a square number, a square number, and I see the two are being subtracted. So that means we've got a difference of two squares, so we can open up our two brackets. We have a plus and a minus. We have 2x over there, 2x over there, 1 over there, and 1 over there. So therefore, that means our critical values in this instance is going to be minus 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. How did I do that? Well, I just solved these two as if they were equal to 0. Okay, so that's where these two brackets are equal to 0. That means that our x-intercepts here are going to be minus 1 over 2 and 2. So now we know exactly where this curve is going to be less than 0. So it's going to be between 1 over 2, which is less than x, which is less than 1 over 2. And that represents that this is between the two numbers. Why are they not equal to 0? Well, because in the question they've said, where is it specific? Where is this curve specifically less than 0? And we can see at -1, -half, and at +half, we can see that they are equal to 0. So we cannot include those 2 points, and that will get you the full marks for this question. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Also, send us a question if you can't find the answer to the question that's plaguing your nightmares, and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.